Okay, we're here in VirtueMart control panel. This is the main screen you get to after you log in. So I wanted to walk you through adding a product here on VirtueMart. First thing you do is going to go to Components section, and you want to click on VirtueMart. Okay, and then you can see the products that we have listed here already. It'll actually show you the last thing that you viewed in there when you're logged in. So this is the last thing I was looking at. List of products is right here, and that's what you're looking at here. If you want to change anything, you just click on it and you can edit that product. If you want to remove something, that was the test product I did. I'm just going to click remove and take it completely out of there. Okay, let's click on Add Product. Okay, let's type in a part number here is the first thing. That's what SKU is. Product name, test product 1. URL, you're going to go ahead and leave blank. Manufacturer, you're going to want to choose who makes this product. So you're going to choose from these drop downs. Let's choose core products. Next, you're going to choose the list of categories that you had entered. Right here we have respiratory breathing aids, oxygen, home fill systems. That's a category, this is a subcategory, and this is a subcategory to a subcategory. So this falls underneath between those. So let's go ahead and put it in home fill systems. So this is laid out nicely to where it divides up the categories specifically. So we click on home fill systems, and let's type in our description here. As you can see above here, we have a lot of tools that you can use to manipulate this text in here. This is called a WYSIWYG editor. What that means, it's a what you see is what you get editor. You can actually create some simplistic things for your website. Let's say I want to make my headline bold here, and I want to leave everything else, regular text. So let's do this, make that bold, and let's say I want to make bullet points here. I can just create bullet points on these two things. So it's very easy to use. It's just pretty much simple standard WYSIWYG editor that you'd see in Microsoft front page or other easy programs like that. You might see them on different websites, but it's a very simple tool. And basically what it means is everything that you do up here and see in here is exactly how it's going to look on the website. That's why it's called what you see is what you get editor. Right here you're going to create a price. So let's just choose $500. These discounts you don't have to worry about unless you're actually planning on using these discounts with your products. But looks like there has already been some entered. But let's just bypass this step. Don't worry about the short description. The way it's configured, it's showing the main description. So right now let's go to product status. This is important because we want to choose in how many we have in stock. Let's say 50, and this will calculate out and show if you don't have it in stock anymore. Let's put 1 for a minimum purchase and 50 for a maximum purchase, so this way they can only purchase the amount that you have in stock. You don't really have to worry about any of this. This is actually availability would show that it's available within 1 to 4 weeks if you want to choose it that way. 1 to 2 months, 3 to 5 days. So this would make sense if you don't have the product right now and you're basically just going to order upon how they you're going to order basically according to their actual processed order. Right here is on special. There's a section on the home page here. Let's go back to the home page, and there's a special section right here. This is where this is going to go ahead and add that. So If you check mark that, it's going to add it to the specials. If you don't want it to be on the special section, don't check mark it. Let's put it on the special section just for show's sake. Right here, you're going to click in length. This is for shipping purposes. Height 21. Really important is putting in the weight so we can get factored in as far as how much shipping will actually cost with the shipping calculator that's already been created. Product image, another very important tool here. We want to show our customers exactly what you're selling. So let's just click in a vehicle. Now you see these two buttons here. One says none and one says auto create thumbnail. What that means exactly is there's a thumbnail image which is going to be your small viewable image on the home page or the products page now, or the categories page. So if you create this thumbnail, it's going to create an instant thumbnail image for you. This is the instant larger picture, which is going to show when you actually click on the image. This will just generate an automatically a small image for you to make it easy. So let's just leave that as it is, and let's click save, and we have our product entered. So let's go over to the home page and check out what we have. Let's refresh. Okay, so as you can see, we have our test product in here. It is calculating the tax in there. Have it in the special section. Let's click on the actual product, and you can see the text that we entered in right here. And let's click on the image to get the larger image, and there you go. So this would be our thumbnail, and that's the larger image. So depending on the size that you put in, it will expand that image to show that larger size. And that's how you enter in a product on VirtueMart. Thank you.